If you've seen ads for Daily and Decor, here's a quick, honest review based on what buyers are actually reporting. So straight up, most signs point to no, it's not worth your money. A lot of shoppers describe the site as a typical social media dropshipping storefront. The biggest issue? People are paying up front and either never receiving their items or getting no response after ordering. In other cases, customers say the products that do arrive look nothing like the photos, cheaper, smaller, and poorly made. There are also red flags like vague shipping pages, broken tracking numbers, and in some cases, reports of hidden subscription charges after a low intro price. Because of that, I'd be very cautious with Daily and Decor. If you want safer options, look at established platforms like Decor Steals or other long-running reviewed stores instead. Bottom line, too many warning signs here. I'd personally avoid it unless there's strong proof it's changed.